Right, let's create another button. We are going to call the button change my color. Okay, we'll give it some props. Variant. Give it let's forgot to put h5 here. So now we put contain. Variant is contain, and then okay, perfect. Change lots of them. But now we are going to continue. We are going to create our own style using material UI style. This material UI. Okay, there we go. Style, and then we'll pass in button so that we can inherit all the CSS of the class button. So parenthesis, square bracket, and what's the first property that we are going to use? Okay, let's use let's first of all take the create the button first. Create the button like so. In the button we call it not custom button. Let's call it something else. My new button. Yeah, that's better. And then we're going to try that and see what happened. Good, perfect. My new button. And then we can style it here. Remember that this is inheriting the default styles of button. So we can add our border, 1 pixel solid red. You see that? Okay, it works perfectly. We duplicate this button and we have another one, and we pass on a prop to it again. Let's say we want to add more styles now to this particular button that we have created. First of all, add a variant to it, and this is contain. What is happening in my spelling today? Contain, yes. Okay, good. You see how it has its own styles, but yet inherited our styles that we have just added. Right, so we are going to create a new file called theme.js. Export cons theme. Okay, equals to create theme from material UI. Where is it? Create theme. Yep, there we go. Sorry guys. Okay, bracket and make palette. It's an object, it's the main object, and then we have our parentheses, and go to primary, which is another object. Inside primary we have the main, which will be our main color. What color do we use? Okay, let's just use this one, #17 60. Yeah, okay, good. Let's add the light color. Second, let's make our secondary color after the primary. Still have our main, who give it another color. Okay, let's add other colors. That's another object. We call this hash 999. Okay, good. Now let's make use of it. We are going to wrap our app in theme provider from material UI. Okay, now we are going to take in the theme as a prop. We have to import it. Importing from /theme. Perfect. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, let's go and make our changes and see how it's going to affect our buttons. Let's remove this and put secondary, and let's see what happens. Perfect, that's our secondary color. Remember the secondary color we use in our theme. Primary. Perfect. Also remember the primary color we use in our theme. This is our secondary color and this is our primary color. These are just the colors that we are able to apply onto our button. Change other color to orange, and we'll see if we can apply that also. Save that. Let's see what's happening. You just let's go to components, and we look at boxes. Now box is just like a container that holds something. So let's clear off this thing and go to something more fun. Sorry guys, the intro has not really been exciting, but I promise you we are getting into something much more exciting. So we are cleaning up our app.js. Perfect. So let's see if everything works out well. Good. Okay. Remove this. Remove this. Remove these two. Let's check it out. Okay, perfect. Now let's jump into something very exciting.